Hi friends, I am Vivek Kumar, and in this video tutorial I am going to discuss about the two important annotations of Spring Boot. These two annotations are add path variable annotations and add request param annotation. So here I have created one Spring Boot starter project, and this is our main class, and I have created one more package, controller package, and inside this controller package I have created one controller class. Our class name is demo controller, and I have annotated it with at rest controller annotations, and here I have these two methods to explain the two annotations. So first method is add path variable, and the return type of this method is response entity and string type. Okay, so inside this add path variable demo method, this is the URL, and I have taken this get mapping URL, and in here, so after this URL I have taken this ID and name. This is the curly braces, open and close curly braces, and inside this curly braces I have written ID. So this ID needs to match with this int variable ID. Okay, and this name should be matched with this variable name, and here I have used this path variable annotations, and after this inside this method I have just concat these two variables, and in return I have created one response entity object of string type and return this variable with the HTTP status. Okay, so now let's run our project and test it in Postman. Run as Java application. Yes, so our project is started, and so open the Postman, and we need to check this path variable annotations. So friend, this is the method URL. uh, you can see this is the method URL, and after this URL I need to pass two variable inside the URL only. Okay, so this is the URL, and after slash I have passed this ID 1, and then one more slash, and the name is Rohit. Okay, so these two variables are the part of the URL. Okay, and let's test this method. So click on the send button. So here we can see it return this result. Okay, it just concat these two variables and return it. So here I have pasted the whole URL to just demonstrate. So you can see these two data are the part of the URL only. Okay, so this is the path variable annotations in Spring Boot. So now let's move to the add request param annotation. So for this I have taken one get mapping here, and the URL of our method is request param demo. Okay, and here I have taken one method name is request param demo, and it return response entity of string type. Okay, and so here inside this method parameters I mentioned this add request param annotations and one variable of int type, and then second request param annotation and one variable name of string type. Okay, and here the same I just concat these two variables and then return into the response entity of string type with the variable and with the status code. Okay, so this is the request param annotations. So let's test it in in Postman. Okay, so here this is the method URLs, and after the method URL I need to use this question mark. Okay, and after the question mark I need to pass our this ID query param, and then for second query param I need to use this ampersand sign, and after this ampersand sign I need to pass our second query parameter only also. Okay, so here two difference between the path variable and query and at request param URLs. You can see here at path variable these two data are the part of the URL only. Okay, in query params we here we are not adding any variables in query param. Okay, and but here at request param we can see in query params we added two variable, one is ID and second is name as a query parameter. Okay, so this is the difference. In add request param annotation we send the data as a query parameter. So let's click this send button and test this. Yes, it is returning this result. So I just copied this URL and pasted here to just demonstrate. So you can see what is the difference between the URLs of the at path variable and at request param. Okay, here I am sending the data as a part of the query parameter, and here I have just added the data in the URLs only. So this is all about these two annotations at path variable versus at request param. Thank you for watching this video.